go into North Macedonia as the borders are open. There's no test required. From Lake Ohrid.
Cheers.
Cheers. Skopsko definitely gets the thumbs up. These lovely cobbled streets. Have some more Skopsko. Oh, it smells really good. This is incredible. To go and check out Struga.
We've got the mountains this side, we've got the River Drin down here. Reminds me of, it is a beach bar, beach restaurant. It's a beach bar, beach club, look. There's sand right there.
And our bus to Bitola has arrived.
This is crazy.
Is anyone here? It's not looking good. 4 hours from Bitola to Skopje, but I can't believe this takes longer than the bus. It's a brand new modern train.
To Skopje, Macedonia.
The views are just incredible. Look at the sunset.
We need to find a bus, the Matka Canyon.
Feels like you're in London.
1 hour later, the bus has finally arrived.
It looks like we have the boat to ourselves.
But we are so excited.
It is a literal pirate ship.
It's massive as well. On our boat, but wow. Look at this.
I mean, I have never seen anything like that before. We tried to get into Kosovo and at the border we got detained, deported, and we needed a coronavirus test. But that is what we're going to do today. Got to be the seediest, is seedy the right word? Coronavirus test ever.
Which way are you going first? Mouth or nose? Oh! Oh! That is disgusting. Ah, makes your eyes water. No. It feels quite nice. Oh, that's so tickly. At night.
Oh, throat was easy. We done?
We're done. We now got to wait till Monday morning when we get our negative result, and then we can proceed and travel to Kosovo.
We both were not detected.
Not detected. It's right here. COVID, not detected. If you get a haircut, you've got to go to the old part of town. Right, we're going straight through. At least we've got like a private room. I like this room.
This is your 6th, 7th haircut?
I like it, really good. Really pleased with the haircut.